Welcome to the eSD 8.5 Release Overview. My name is Ken Williams, the Product Manager for the eSchool Data Student Management System, brought to you by Illuminate Education. This release includes a number of reporting and functional enhancements based on user input. First, we'll talk about virtual attendance updates. In 8.4, we released the Virtual Attendance Initiative, designed to help districts better manage hybrid school models and account for virtual learning schedules. In 8.5, we have received great feedback and want to be responsive to the needs of our customers. First, we've added the ability for you to create an attendance reason and mark it as a remote present. In System Attendance Reasons, we've added the remote attendance flag to the attendance reasons screen. You can only have one attendance reason flagged as remote present at a time. Once you have set up your remote present attendance reason, then in Teacher Connect attendance roster, teachers can select remote present while taking attendance the same way they set other attendance statuses. Students who are assigned to be remote based on their learning code cannot be set as remote present. You can see this by the home symbol right next to the student's name. Remote present will count as present with a reason of remote present on attendance reports. The reason we added this functionality is so that teachers can track students who are scheduled to be at school on any given day, but however, for one reason or another, cannot attend, but still participate in classroom activities virtually. We've also added an option in District Schools School Information. We added a school-based option to default attendance status to blank. When this option is set, then in the Teacher Connect attendance roster, attendance statuses will default to not taken for schools who have this option selected. We've put validation in place that will prevent users from saving their attendance without selecting an attendance option for each student. Don't worry, you can still mark all as present, and other convenient tools in the attendance roster functionality have not been taken away, and they will help the teachers as they take attendance for the students. If attendance is not taken for the day, then the reports will display as NA in the attendance reports. Next, we modified the symbol that indicates a learning code. We did this by making the circle much larger than your standard custom indicator. We did this so it would be very easy for teachers and administrators to tell the difference between a learning code and another custom indicator. We made these updates in the Teacher Connect attendance roster, the Teacher Connect gradebook. We've updated it on the parent and student portals. We also added the learning code indicators to the school calendar on both the parent and the student portals. We also updated this information in the student profile, listing, and detail view. Next, we want to talk to you about our calling system updates. In Interoperability Partners Calling System, we added the virtual learning options to the attendance rule criteria for the main application calling system. This will give districts the ability to configure different attendance rules based on learning codes using the main application calling system functionality. For those of you using the School Messengers app, or for those of you who are currently using the main application calling system and you would like to transition over to the Gurus apps, we have added several features that will provide more parity between the School Messengers app and the main application calling system. These features are allowing you to both include attendance reasons as well as exclude attendance reasons. We've also put validation in the filter setup so that if you include and exclude the same reason, we will prompt you and have you correct the setup before saving. We've also added the option to toggle back and forth between excluding students with daily present. This will allow you to turn this on and off. This will provide more parity in the School Messengers app as with the calling system in the main application, so districts currently using the calling system in the main application can transition over to the Guru School Messengers app. Thank you very much for watching the presentation on the ESD 8.5 release overview. We'll talk to you next month.